The negative feedback chapter 19. That's the open loop versus the closed loop circuit. These are the circuit for three-stage amplifier. Differential amplifiers are, this one is open loop. This one is three-stage amplifier with the closed loop. And this one is with the capacitance, compensation capacitance. Now, that's all we have right now. Now, these are the parameters we gotta change. For the open loop, we have reduced our load. We have reduced our load to 10K. Now closed loop output. That's a closed loop output we're gonna generate. And we give the 10% tolerance to the R1 and R2. And after that, that's the graph we get. Now we get 10% the voltage at R load output. Now we give a compensation capacitance of 10 nano. That's the graph at compensated capacitance. 19 feedback circuit, make a blank project. Now this is very lengthy one. We need to make a feedback circuit, negative feedback circuit. So there are three-stage amplifier in this circuit, so we need lots of resistors, capacitance. Make all the state changes in the circuit as shown going for. Select the library, select the components. As I'm doing, keep on doing. It's big one. That's all the value of Vs. This is all the components we gotta select over here. Three-stage amplifier, open loop, closed loop. This is the circuit. Copy paste for the closed loop. This is open. The one is the open loop, and that is the closed loop. Do the changes as I'm showing on the figure. Just keep on doing open loop and closed loop. That's the open loop and closed loop. The compensation capacitor. That's all the capacitance we have. These are all parameters. We're gonna change the value of RL to 10K. From the 100K we use, we're gonna change the value to the 10K and see what happens. This is the RL2 we're changing to 10K as a one case. Now we're gonna change the tolerance. Select the parametric sweep. And that's the parametric sweep we're gonna give it, and we see how it changes occurs. Output of the open loop. Parametric sweep for the RL1 component. For the load one, RL1 output for RL1, we output the voltage at the load 1 of open loop. Now changing the parameter of tolerance, we are giving the 10% tolerance to the values. Now giving the R's to also the tolerance, 10% tolerance, the resistor value, see what happens. It's giving the tolerance. Let's go run the simulation. So see the peak of changes. Changing the capacitance value, a compression capacitor, to 10 nano. That's how the shape of the curve changes. Now again, new simulation profile. Enter the list values. That's we got it. Value of R load.